congratulations to those who got somebody with number 2 just now, but think about next options, what to do, because here comes the next spin along the way. Good luck. Yeah, well, anyways, some people asking some questions like, where's my win and stuff like that. Guys, if you have any issues with payouts, yet again, a reminder, if any issues with payouts or any issues at all, please write to live support. They can help you out. But now, 25x on 10, looking quite nice. Do we have any 10s around here? Yes, we do. Can we get to it? Come on, this one time, baby. Get in. Woo! This is how you do it. We got the 10 with 25x from the top side. Well, how about that? Ladies and gentlemen, this is officially 250x. A lot.
Wow, 13,260 winners. Well played. Hey, good luck with the route.
Oh, have a good one. Have a good one. Congratulations. That was a beautiful bonus round right there, wasn't it? I'm a your host now. Wish you the best. Let's see how is it gonna be. Another session with me indeed. The third's for the day. The third is the charm, they say. Let's make it happen then. Good luck. So, could I please begin with a crazy time? Like, pretty please. Come on. Pretty please. Crazy. Be crazy. Ask and you shall receive, everybody. Crazy time. But ask with love and affection, right there. 4x crazy time is what we begin this session over. Yoo-hoo! Alright, crazy time with a 4x multiplier. Nice. Now this is what we're talking about. Alright, the multipliers are set, and of course, this, before decision time begins, the magic happens, the 4x happens. Ooh, lovely. Alright, well, now decision time is available. The green, the blue, the yellow, and flapper. Which one do you pick? Come on now. 400x is the highest one, but well, we got some doubles. Can we get that? Ooh. Ooh, 400x for yellow, 60 is for blue, but for the green team, we're about yet to find out. Doubling up. Come on, 800x. Green team. Fingers crossed. That's gonna be 80x for you. Oof. I feel like 4,287 winners. I'm betting sounds like yours. Insane flip. That was insane. That 2x. Gio, are you still here? Master close still. Sync and chat with you. Well. What about the crazy coin flip? 4 times crazy time. Let's get it. All around within the last 15 games, we got C pachinkos and 2 coin flips. Also, we got pretty lucky on that crazy time we got. A 4 times crazy time. Let's go. Guys, I told you that we're gonna have another one. I told you, and I was right. Let's go. Woo! Hey! Crazy time with 4x top slap multi, baby. I really hope that you made your decision. 400 decks, let's go! That's a double on the green clapper. Whoa, 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 whoa.